Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a huge box. That one is a Rode microphone as well as USB mini studio quality USB microphone. I'll provide you detailed demonstration unboxing as well as how I connect this microphone to my Mac laptop, and we will see clarity of voice. So now let's start as unboxing. Of Rode mic NT USB mini studio quality USB microphone. It's a simply magic box. Our product look like this, same. This is a magic booklet we are receiving as usual. So fitting is very nice. Okay, here is our product. The product is entire pack. Really worth it to purchase this one. It's easy. Look at this here, C port, lightning cable, and inside the box just we are receiving two accessories. This is a Rode mic and this is a cable. So I just simply remove like this also. It's very easy. This is a magnet. Look at this. Just simply, it's a very strong magnet, but just only one disadvantage. This is a D port and this is a C port, but I just simply try using my iPhone C to C type port. Look at this. This is an iPhone C to C. I just simply put it on my Mac and just put it here. You can add here your headphone also if you want record. So look at this. This is on. So now I just simply demo point of view, I record one of the voice, and now I'm recording voice using the Rode mic, using the USB mini studio quality USB microphone. So you can listen the voice, which voice is the best and which voice is not best, and very easily connect using C2C port on your Mac. Next video I will show you how to connect this device to Mac and record some of the samples, so you can very easily understand of the feature of this Rode mini mic. This is a simple unboxing of Rode mic product. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.